We are at the back right now. Backyard. Yun yung front yard. Yung masikip na daanan dyan sa gilid. So now we are on the right side facing the front. This is the gate going sa likod. And here are some cats hanging out. There's another cat over there sleeping. And here's my candy. Let's just go check on the plants in the backyard. So here we got a malunggay. Yan. Tinusok lang muna dyan ng tita ko just in case na pagkaugat, tumubo and stuff para maitanim ulit sa iba't ibang parte ng bahay. And then fortune plant cutting. So nilagay mo dyan. But then these things, I don't know kung lemon na mga to or daya or calamansi. But yung mga yan, medyo matataas na. Medyo malalaki na rin. And then another fortune plant cutting over there. Okay. And then on this side, merong compost pit na hinukay. And another calamansi or lemon or dayak, I don't know. And we have a cactus here. Laki na niya. Ang pakal niya. There you go. And we have a dead papaya. We have a camellias. You know what? I think I might put the bamboo things here. Gagawin kong raised bed kind of dito para makapagtanim ng mga halaman. And you know what? Kapag tag-ulan dito, itong gutter na ito is tumutuloy palagi. So it's good to put a plant in there. And then we got here another, what is that? Calamansi, lemon or dayak, I don't know. Another calamansi over here. Slash dayak slash lemon. And then this one is acing kamas. We used to have an ube here but it's dead. We didn't get the ube. But I don't know kung may ube sa ilalim niya. But anyway, those are just the plants. And then on the left side, wala rin ang dindi. Walang bakit. Okay. So we got these plants here. Nilagay ko muna itong mga plants natin dito para tumubo. Para magkagat. While waiting for them to grow and then i-transfer sila soon. But then, ubus na yung snake plant dito dahil unti-unting kinukuha ng tita ko. That's a Mexican cat plant or that's a calancho. And then, may natira ko yung mga snake plants. Kunti na lang. But most of the snake plants, naglipat-lipat ng tita ko sa kasi. And then, this one, fancy or lemon, I don't know. And then, a tiny little malunggay. Yan. So, this is the backyard so far. And this is a good spot in the house actually. Because it's cool in here. And some work in progress. I really want to plant stuff in here as well. Alright, so that's it for now. Apologies about the shaky camera. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.